right, we made it. 4 hours.
Yeah, bathroom.
The bus wasn't bad at all. Livingo. Nordic Ski Center, dude. Talk about boring. Guys, just leave your bag here. P-boy. It's probably like 40 out. Absolutely nuts. Gorgeous. So, this will be a fun weekend, or a fun week. You're here for the next 10 days. Look at this place. Whew.
That's that.
Oh, I got my fingers in it. All right, we're trying to figure out the bus system. We met some Olympic cross skier
Sweden.
Avengers, and we have decided to just walk the kilometer with our bags to get to our destination instead of waiting on a bus. So we're gonna be really strong by the end of this, and hopefully the bags don't break, but this will be nice. Get some good cardio in for the day since we've been sitting on a bus. It's absolutely beautiful here. Weather's gorgeous. I'm loving it. All right, after a long workout, we made it. It was easy as nothing. We got Olympic tryouts tomorrow.
Luggage.
Wow, look at this view.
4 different ways.
Dude, we can just see everything from here. I'm gonna buy a lawn chair.
Now you want to go. Now I think I want to go. Okay.
Wow. Let me see if this is it.
That's Capricornio, Scorpio, Sagittario. Pretty dope. Cool.
Yeah, it's a great view. All right, so we made it. MTV Cribs. Only took us a 1.5 kilometers of walking, but we made it to the resort, or the apartments we're staying at. We'll do a tour.
I'm a hungry boy.
Yeah, we can go back down and get some food. She said she's gonna text me a taxi, so.
Yeah, we'll get a supermarket. Well, I don't even mind walking, like, to a bus from here and shit like that, but I'm down to get a taxi
Okay.
for now, but.
Beautiful, beautiful.
This is
All right, good morning. It is negative 18 Celsius out. I believe it's supposed to snow today. I just looked up lift tickets and everything for here. You can get essentially all mountain passes. It's chilly, I'm gonna go back inside. All mountain passes for like the closest 50 resorts is all under the same cost. So everything from like Bormio to Livingo to, they're all, it's like 30 lifts, I think, and it's €50. So €50 for all these lifts. So we're gonna do some exploring while we're here and see with some sick spots to ride. this side over here. Oh, and also, it said, excuse me, I just woke up. It said that, the Olympic ski areas are only a small section, so they're not blocking off big sections. So the mountain is still 95% open for skiers, even though the Olympics are going on here. So pretty freaking cool. So yeah, we're gonna get changed and get ready, and we're gonna get down there and try to ride today. All right, we just got breakfast. Heading to Ski Now. We found an all-you-can-eat breakfast place, €15. Picked up some breakfast limoncello. Making an elixir now. Might as well pour the rest of it in there.
I don't know if I can get the rest. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be super strong.
Oh yeah. Gorgeous house so far. So we're gonna go try the slopes, see how it feels. All right, we have made it. Got the limoncello in hand. Snow feels good. Trying to teach Nick how to snowboard. He's never been on a board, so we will see. He's stuck at the top of the hill right now, but look at this view. And the €70 pass covers everything you can see. I think it even covers a town away. So while I'm here, I can go to St. Moritz, but it's not covered under the pass. So I might just stay here and see how many places I can hit, because €70 is pretty cheap. I might just stay in this area, that way I don't have to worry about any new travel. I would like to say that I went, but it's really not that big of a deal, because Livingo is, I mean, look at this place. Where the boy at? He's struggling. I knew this was gonna. It's gonna take a second. This board I got is like super stiff in comparison to my T-Rise Pro. I miss it dearly. Next time I'm gonna just bring my board. Save me €120. It's just kind of a hassle. So we'll see. Let me see if I can get him moving. I could probably run 3 times by the time he gets over here. I'm gonna run back down. Who knows how long I'll be here. But I mean, look at that. Now take that heel, try to swap to the other side. There you go, there you go. You almost made it to the other side. Let's go.
I'm trying to get
Okay. Let's go! Alright, there is a kid behind you, so. Oh, you know what? There's a cat track. Or a carpet. You can learn on this. Taking the gondola up, find some, this thing's like a fucking spaceship. Taking the gondola up to higher pastures. Whoa, this thing is freaking quick. This is awesome. So I'm underground right now. And I'm about to come out. Oh my God. I'm about to come out. Boom! Outside, look at that. Look at that view. Whoa! This sounds so corny, but this is freaking amazing. Let's see if we can get some ventilation in here. Woo! Let's go. This is so cool. Open these windows up. Look at that view. Look at that view. Bellissimo! Oh, wow. So I've been riding the bunny hill. To kind of teach my buddy how to ride, and I'm gonna see if I can find some more advanced runs. Hopefully, we'll see. This thing doesn't look like it goes very far up, but there's another lift right behind it that goes even higher. So I'm gonna see if I can get to that higher lift now, and try to take some video on my primero journey in Italia, Livingo. This is such a cool trip. So the ticket was 77 euro, 72 euro a day. So I wish it was a little bit cheaper, but I'm splitting hairs. 90 bucks for literally where they're doing the Olympics, I guess, isn't that bad. I'm just a cheap ass. So looks like we got some all mountain stuff here, some in between the groomed runs. But absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna put this thing up real quick, and then we're gonna see if we can jump on this next haul. So I'll be back in just a second. Great news, I can just stay on. So this is essentially the mid-mountain lift, and it just keeps going up. So this is really freaking cool. In the U.S., very few places have these. I haven't been to a place that has something like this. Usually they're just chairs, but very, very cool. All right, we got lift off again. Ready for blast off. And I just shoot out the architecture, like the structure of this thing. Like, look at that. Absolutely wild. They do not put this much money into U.S. resorts. The cost basis of this place is like, I'm telling you, it is freaking nuts. And actually, I do have some, looks like I might be able to do some all mountain here because I can run through these. That's the primary. Oh, there we go. Got some sick, look at that, all the way down. That is so cool. Landed right on his butt. These guys are moving. Wow. Man. There's 30, I think they said there's 31 lifts here. So I'm gonna see how much I can ride through. Yeah, this looks good. This looks all very rideable. So we'll see if I can get some. Oh, look at that view! Wow. Amazing. I gotta find some people to ride with. I got my buddy Nick. He's on the Bunny Hill. So I think it's like 11 o'clock. So I said, buddy, I gotta leave you and go actually get some real runs in. Yeah, there's some ungroomed stuff there. I watched some of them groom the mountain yesterday. Like they have an amazing amount of snowcats, and they're just working all night. The quality of this place, like it is extremely nice. Everybody is so freaking nice. It's blown me away because I thought Italians were all assholes. But I haven't met a single one that's been mean yet. I don't know if it's because I'm like a foot taller and 60 pounds bigger than all of them at minimum, but everybody is so nice. And you know, like I try to be nice too, but man, this is it's just an awesome setup. So I'm getting to the lift now. I'm getting to the end of the lift, so I'm gonna pop this thing back in, and then we'll try to take some videos and see what the runs look like. I'm ecstatic. This is awesome. So I will say the lifts are a lot faster than in the U.S. But like, look at this view. Insane. Wow. And I'm 20 minutes from St. Moritz. But my plan was to go to St. Moritz, but I don't think I'm going to be able to make it. I'm going to try to ride as many of these as possible. This is insane. I can't wait to see what the summit looks like. It's just absolutely insane. And the weather is like perfect. It's maybe 32, but there's like no wind right now. No wind. Absolute bluebird day. I thought it was supposed to snow today, but there's like 6 clouds 50 miles away. This is just insane. So this entire valley has lifts all over it. God, so cool. I'll see how these new bindings fit. I think I gotta adjust the binding straps a little bit, but I'm gonna see if I can dump it down this mountain. Some of these guys are moving. So cool, so freaking cool. 70 euro, 90 bucks, 90 bucks. Just go ahead and swipe that card. Swipe that card. 15 euro breakfast. Swipe that card. I do not care. Just look at this place. Tomorrow I'm gonna see if I can get up a little earlier. And they do run lifts a little later today in some of the areas, some of the mountains. So I'd like to get my friend, it was like negative 14 Celsius this morning too. I'd like to get my friend a little more acclimated and see if I can get him to come up to one of these spots at some point today. So it's just, I mean, talk about a view. Look at this, look at this. Wow. Amazing, amazing. Like a blue. Ooh, lovely.
Bellissimo. Wow. Not very deep. Nope. Wow. Not very deep though. Let's see. Not very deep. Board destroyer. Well, not my board. Let's see if we can go to the right. Through here. Not very deep. Come on, baby. Lean. Lean. Primero, primero. Ooh. Ooh, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. I'm gonna go down this way. Oh shit. Alright, this one has freaking like leather seats and an auto dropping. I didn't realize this thing was dropping on me. But I'm going up. God, it just keeps going. It just keeps going. This place is crazy. Crazy. Runs feel good. Off-piste day. It's pretty, see, you can see a rock right there. You can see dirt right there. So I wouldn't consider it like, real deep, off-piste day. I think the base depth is only like 2 feet. But, I'll tell you what, they got the water fucking rolling here for making snow, and it's not like icy like in the US. So this is just, I mean, wow. I just keep finding more lifts. I gotta figure out how to get, I'm gonna take this one right and see if I can get back down to the base to check on Nick. But you can see it just is nuts. Pretty cool. I got my board pretty set up. It's feeling really good. So yeah, I don't want to bore. I don't want to make this a freaking hour-long video of me just talking like pretty much all my other videos. So take some pictures at the summit and see if I can shimmy back. This is like crossroads. This is nuts. It's so cool. So yeah.